DeWalt DCF840 right here, brand new in the box. Why'd I get this? I've already got a DCF787 20 volt, but as you can see, I've got my shear attachment on it. Yes, it does come on and off, but it's kind of a nuisance when you need to use both tools. Here is a DW056, old 18 volt. Yes, it works just fine. However, it's quite a bit heavier, and then I have to carry a different battery charger with me. So this one here I usually use just around the shop. We're going to get into this, see if there is any difference between the 840 and the 787 coming up. Hi, I'm Roger and welcome to the shop. And as you saw there, now I have 3 impact drivers, 1/4-inch impact drivers, all DeWalt. And yeah, I'm a DeWalt guy. I'm on that platform. I don't have anything against Milwaukee or some of the other, or Makita or some of those other brands. It's, I'm already in the DeWalt platform. I'm happy with their tools. I used them when I was still working as an electrician professionally, so I've stuck with that brand. So yeah, I've heard all the things about what's good and bad. Everybody's got their own opinion. That's like being a Ford, Chevy, or Dodge. You know, everybody's got their own opinion. I'm on DeWalt. That said, this here I bought the shear attachment for. I've been working at the renovation house on quite a bit of stuff on the exterior, and occasionally I then need to use the impact driver. So I have to take this back off to use the impact driver. Okay, yes, this does fit on a drill as well, and I do have a drill up there. However, I'm also using the drill quite a bit, so I got tired of doing the swapping back and forth. Decided to go out and get me another impact. This was on sale actually, and normally I'm not a person that shops at Lowe's, but I was there for a different reason. I happened to see this was $99, and yeah, I suppose somebody's got it cheaper, but grabbed one. This is bare tool only. It's not the whole kit with everything in it. So we're going to unbox this thing. We're going to look at this, see if there's any differences between the 840 and the 787, other than age, because I've had this one a few years. Okay, correction here. This is not the bare tool. This is the whole kit. Comes with a charger and a couple batteries and a bag. I was in such a hurry yesterday when I was going through there, I didn't really read it real close. I just knew I needed another one of these. But $99 was a heck of a good price. So did I need another one of these little tool bags? Not really, but they're nice for other things too. Okay, it comes with instruction book. We got it's like a belt clip, which I don't use. Another charger. A couple of the smaller variety batteries, and how many amp hour are these? 1.5 amp hour, so they're small ones, and they don't have the gauge on them, but that's fine. To me, this is a bonus because I wasn't really expecting that in here. And of course, we have the impact tool. So is there any difference here? I don't even know if these are charged. Probably got a little bit of a charge in them. Yep, they do. So of course this one has a larger battery on it right now. But putting them side by side, other than one saying DCF787 and this one saying DCF840, they're identical. Absolutely identical. This has brushless engraved, this has brushless printed, that's immaterial. Otherwise everything is just the same. So this will let me use this as an impact, as it should, for driving screws, and I can keep the shear on this and not have to be swapping it back and forth. Since I already know how well this tool performs, without the shear of course, I know how well this is going to perform. It's going to be just the same. So there's a little quick unboxing and review of this DCF840, kind of a couple years newer than the DCF787, but otherwise they are identical. They're both brushless. So if you got anything out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up. Always helps the channel. Roger in the shop. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.